when you backfill these, the trough and the space between the trough, you want to step on it with your foot so that you're not continuing to make big depressions. You know, you want to step it in, is what I call it. You don't want to pound on it with like a sledgehammer or a plate or a jumping jack or anything like that, because if it's overly compacted, it's going to be difficult for root growth, and you don't want that. Plus, if you overcompact it, you could move the blocks around, and you don't want to do that either. So you might have a space behind your wall that is open, and you've got to fill that as well, back to, let's say, your cut for your wall. And so the way to do this sequentially is backfill the face of the wall first, step on it and strike it off so that you can easily set the next course right on top. So you don't want a mound of dirt here that keeps you from setting the next course right on top, okay? So that's what that's going to look like from behind, and I already showed you what it looked like from the face on some of those other shots. But the reason why we ask you to backfill the trough and the space between the trough first is because that way you make sure that you get this filled, and any extra is going to tail out the back. That way, if you're using a rock backfill or some kind of a clay backfill or something left over on the site, it's all behind the block. If you filled this first, it would trail into the block and it would cut off your volume of really good growing media. So you want to get the biggest volume of growing media, and the only way to do that is fill this first and let it tail out the back, and then you can put your structural fill behind.